If you're in the mood for something sweet, you should try our cool and funky fruit tingle. So it's our version of a fruit tingle, or even like a bigger version of a Blue Lagoon. It's sweet, but with a hint of sour at the end. Quite enjoyable, so you'd love it on a summer's day. So we use 4 Pillars Rare Dry Gin, which is one of their main SKUs. We also use Marinette products, so Blue Curacao, which is like a mandarin orangey flavour. And we also use Dry Cassis, which is that red berry flavours. So they're all made locally here in Victoria, so we like to use local products. It's a built cocktail, so I always start with the gin and Blue Curacao at the bottom. Then you want to build your ice in, so that will create, when you're adding your soda water and lemon juice, it'll create a layer where all your blue kind of stays at the bottom. And when you're adding in your dry cassis, it'll create a lovely, like almost like a lava lamp with your cassis falling down. And then you can stir your cocktail to make it that blue purpley colour.